Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today I'm just going to demo the free kit that I put out for Black Friday. If you hadn't seen it on the community posts or whatever, I'm just going to go through some sounds. And so basically it's just some sounds from my drum kits that I liked or that I use. And then there's some new ones like these two. This is like an old kick, you know what I mean? The kicks that I normally use a lot in streams and sounds, you know what I mean? This is a new one. Like some of my favorite 808s from my kit. I just put in the free kit. There's some hi-hat midis, some melody midis. Let me put in a piano, play some of them. Alright, and then let me just show you guys some hi-hat midis. Alright, anyways, the link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe.